The Shavers.
It's
What?
not. It's not morning time.
What? Afternoon. Good afternoon, the Shavers. What are we doing today? Woohoo! Nice save. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a door. So, step 1.
We're fixing a door.
The door handle. First,
Now, step 1 is this.
you have a screw gun. If you got a screw gun,
You
go.
squat it in here like this.
You go screw, and then you screw out the nuts.
That's what
Okay.
she said.
So, you screw up the nuts, and, my brother broke our, thing this morning. So, look at, we gotta fix it. Now, this is what he did, guys. He bent that. If my dad's gonna watch this vlog, he's gonna be a little mad. But Dad, don't worry. I got you covered. We're gonna fix it. If we can bend it back into place. Here, guys, catch this on camera. Hey, can you hold that? Like, just hold it right there. Thank you. So right there, guys, he bent that here. Bend it back in place. So guys, if it's bent, you get a hammer and you bend it back in place. Step 1, if you're doing what we're doing. It's not gonna bend back in place. Wait, ooh. Still doesn't want to. Yeah, it's just does not want to bend back in place. Alright, well, we're still gonna finish this up. Right there is our door hole. And, you got your 2 handles. There'll be one hole right there, right in the center. That, who all know who to pick lock. If you look carefully, if you know how to pick lock, I don't, but, you have your needle, how they got that needle. Let's say this is a needle. And, actually, it comes up in here. And it twists it. It moves around and it twists it. See, just like that? Because that's what causing it to lock. So those of you who know how to pick lock, boom. Right there's a secret for you. You have to find something that's actually strong enough to twist. Twist this. Like that. Anyways, guys. We're gonna do this correct. Try to, anyways. So if you ever need help fixing a door handle, come to me. Because I absolutely do not know what I'm doing.
That's the wrong hole. You put it in the middle one.
No, you don't. Wait, do you? I don't know. No, you put it through here.
Then how do I twist the thing on?
Like that. Okay, so when you got this piece to lock it, you take this, like I was just showing you, slip it through the center hole.
That's what she said.
Right there, it's nice. And boom, you're all done. It's supposed to look like that.
Now how you gotta fit it in there?
Never mind. Wait, this goes on the outside. Never mind, that's not how you do it. Wait, maybe it is. To be honest.
Oh my gosh. I'm going downstairs. You don't need my help.
Actually, I do. Hey, hey.
I'm tired of you.
No, come on.
One day I'm gonna suffocate myself.
Oh. No, seriously. I need some help, though. Maybe... Oh, guys, seriously? Like, you just kind of... You have to have it... You take this handle. And then they kind of shape together. That little square piece right there, how it's like kind of shaped. You take this one, and that's shaped the same, if you can see. And that is also shaped right there. Is a square.
And then you stick it in the hole.
Yeah. Ooh. Maybe you stick it through this, like...
You stick it on the opposite side of the hole.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Here was... Oh, seriously? Why did I think of that at the very beginning? Okay. Okay, guys. Is that seriously like... Oh. Is that how you do it? Boom, yeah. Alright, so... Made a mistake. This piece, boom. Then you're gonna need this. And... I'll put it right here. So then you guys can see. Also, make sure that is down for, like, people who do not know this. Make sure that is down. Because it can't be up looking like that. Alright, so shape down. You stick this. If your door does what mine does. If you guys can see it, it pops open. Mine isn't supposed to do it, but yeah. Duh, you know,
pops open.
It just pops open for some reason, for some odd reason. Here, I'll kind of get it on camera. See, like that. We got some problems with our door. And then grab your door handle, put it right there. Seriously, like my camera is like it has to be good angle. Alright, so put this right there where that hole was. I was showing you guys.
Again.
There we go. So put it right there. Alright. Make sure this is going down good. Oh, boom. You stick it through that kind of golden piece looking. And then you got yourself that. Perfect. We're all done. Do not know if this is correct. So this is what it looks like for now. Looking good. And then, so here comes the other piece. This piece comes in handy now. Stick that right there. Boom. I think we got it.
And then this is where the fat cake goes in handy.
Okay, guys. Seriously, I used my head today. Good job.
First time in forever.
Yeah. But now it won't lock.
Now the fat cake will help. The fat cake.
Alright, but seriously, when I lock it, it will not lock. What the heck is going on? Oh, did it lock? Oh, that's why it wasn't. Huh? Who knows what's going on? So, guys, that's my way of putting on a door. If you need help, or go to my YouTube channel at Ethan Shaver and just watch the video. Like you guys who joined my family, you guys know how to put a door together. But unfortunately, I cannot use this piece, which you need this to lock the door. But for me, I guess I can't do it because my brother, the guy who I pranked, I think that's the wrong bolt. Wait, oh, that's why it's not working. Dang it. Messed up. I think I got this. I know I got it.
I think I can do it.
I think I can do it. I think I can. I don't think I can. I know I can. Oh. Oh. Dang it. Are you kidding me? Oh, there we go. We're gonna need, like, Bob the Builder to come here. So, if someone could call Bob the Builder for me and have him come down to my house and help me redo this, that would help. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Or, actually, if Bob the Builder has this piece for, like, 25 cents. Huh, Ashton? Say hi to the Shavers. Cause
Audience Potter the Shaver. My last name is Shaver as well. I'm his cousin.
Yeah.
So Shavers.
But this is a different Shavers on YouTube. And you're also a part of it too.
No, I'm not. I unsubscribed.
Well, that just makes you a fat loser.
I know. I need my fat cakes.
Yes, you did. Alright, to be honest, guys, that kid will be the funniest kid. The funniest kid I've ever met in my life.
If you guys have fat cakes, let me have them. I need fat cakes. I have low blood sugar. It's not funny. You guys are laughing too. I need the fat cakes. PS4 time. Yeah. Acceleration. 7.
Are you? Oh, you know what? I think I had that. There we go. Talk about fixing, guys. I had this going the opposite way. I had it going backwards, then forward. That makes a real big difference. Talking about using my head today, actually, I wasn't, to be honest, because I kind of don't know what way to screw a screw gun. There we go, boom. Anyways, guys. Scratching my nose. Sorry about that. Anyways, guys. You guys all know how to put together a door. Boom, I got ya. Nice and tight on there. But, unfortunately, this thing is like, the stick that I kind of pulled off of it. Or my brother same difference. Anyway, so that's why I got like that hole right there, because this is supposed to be right there.
You put it the wrong way.
Yeah.
That's way.
Just like that. Okay, guys, that will do it for the vlog today. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being a part of the shaver. I hope you guys like it. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Have a good day. I will see you guys next time I vlog. I hope you liked yesterday's vlog, or Easter's vlog. That was really cold. Was it yesterday?
What?
Wasn't Easter yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, so yesterday's vlog. And turn on notifications. Hit that like button. Hope you guys liked it today. Peace.